Hi and hello, I am Athena Ponti, and here in this video we are going to see about the job scopes for the biomedical engineering. It doesn't mean so what are all the job scopes. We already posted a video relating how many job scopes are there for the biomedical engineering. This video what I am going to say is how you can able to use that particular job scopes in the biomedical field. Come, let's see the video. In the recent years, getting job is a little bit difficult. In particularly, biomedical freshers felt very bad when you are going to the field because there are so many competitions are there for each and every jobs in the biomedical domain. Yes, of course, that competition is there. If you want a job, you must be a different person when compared to the other. Then only you can able to get a job. You should have some of the knowledge. You should have some of the domain knowledge compared to the others, then only you can able to get a job. Like that is the situation that the biomedical job is a little bit difficult. You are having a much amount of competition. You must prove yourself into the interviewer, then only you can able to get a job. That is the one thing. Even though if you are getting job, some of the people, those who are in a well-reputed companies, they resign the job within a 1 month or 2 months. We already talking about these kind of things, why they resign the job and like that. So what I am going to say is, please don't resign the job. This biomedical field is not at all compared to some other engineering people, because biomedical is nothing but the 4 years of studies, full and full theory and the projects. That are not giving any practical experience to you. So what you are going to do is, you are just learn theoretical knowledge in the 4 years. That is very important. You have enough amount of time to learn everything theoretically. At the same time, you have enough amount of time to apply your ideas into the projects and the patent and everything. So you learn everything, learn every corner of the biomedical during the 4 years. And then the next year, that is once you are completing the final year, once you are joining, once you are a search for the job, even though if you are getting job, in that particular field is entirely different from your studying period. That is very important. Most of the people not understand that during the study period, you don't have any trouble facing. You are not going to meet any person. You are not going to dealing with any equipments. You are having an idea. You are creating your idea in your module and submitted it to the papers and presented in the conference. That is a professional way. If you are getting to the field, market field, that is entirely different from your academic field. That is very important. Most of the people should remind that. Because if you are going to the market field, there are so many competitors are here. You are going to face so many competitors, not only for the job getting. Once you are getting the job also, if you are appointed as a sales engineer, for any company, some of the competitors are also there to meet the doctor, the same equipment. So there are so many competitions are there for each and every job scope. You might have proved yourself into the doctors. That is very important. So once you are getting the job, then don't feel that it is a relaxed condition. You are just getting a job and you should remain the job. So for that, you need to learn experience, practical experience. Don't think that it is not a professional way. It is not a easy way to continue the job. You should learn everything during the experience only. You are not at all learn even a single point during the academic period. The academic period, what are all the experience you have, that is entirely different. In the market, your experience is entirely different. So each and every corner, as a fresher, you need to learn much amount of experience. You need to learn many things during the market. So that is very important. So don't resign the job simply. Already you know that the job getting is very difficult. The competition is much more in the outside the market. So once you are getting the job, don't resign the job easily. Learn the experience. Each and everything is experience. If you are going to meet a doctor, the doctor insulting you, that is a kind of experience. That is also kind of experience. You are just your senior officials keep on scolding you. That is also one of the experience. You learn each and everything through the experience only. You can able to remain the job. And you should have some of the practical experience. So for that, you need to spend minimum of 1.5 years to 2 years. Then only you can able to note down the corners of each and every corners of the field experience, because academic experience is entirely different. The market is entirely new. You are entering as a fresher. So each and everything what you saw is entirely different from the academic section. So learn the experience. The scolding is also one of the experience. The insulting is also one of the experience. The traveling is also one of the experience. So each and everything what you face in the market is entirely a new thing. So once you are getting an experience, once you are learning an experience, how to manage the doctors, how to manage the senior officials, and how to control this particular situation and everything within the 1.5 years to 2 years. So once you are remain the job in the 2 years, then the third year, I am assuring you, in the third year you are having an enough amount of knowledge in the practical experience. So, and apart from that, this particular 2 years, that is as a fresher you join as a company, the 2 years don't claim for the salary. Don't claim for the salary in the sense, I'm not telling that don't get any salary. Don't claim for high salary. Whatever the salary they give, just go and learn the experience. That is the main motto you should have. Don't mind for the salary. Get an experience, that is a very important thing. 1.5 years, 2 years, once you are getting much amount of experience, you are having enough amount of knowledge to manage the markets, manage the competitors. Once you are having a confidence, then you climb the salary. Then you climb the salary. Once the particular company is not giving the salary, then climb to the some other, then apply to the some other company, then climb the salary. That is the very, very important thing. So most importantly, don't resign the job and don't expect much more in the market. That academic section is not at all coming to you during the market field. The market field is entirely different. So that is the very important thing I need to say you, because most of the students for the past 60 days I have a chance to meet some of the biomedical engineering freshers. That kind of people, they says that I resigned the jobs for this company, even though they are placed in a well-reputed company like Genvox, like Philips, like Siemens. They are just resigned. They simply resigned the job within 2 months or 3 months. That is total waste. That is totally waste their future. That is a very important thing. Please understand. Don't resign the job simply. You are just learn the experience, whatever the thing it may be. Whatever the thing it may be, hard work never fails. That is the point you need to know that. So keep on learning. 4 years of academic experience, 2 years of marketing experience, then the seventh year you should have a bright future, and then after that you are just claim the salary up to 50,000 to 70,000. That is my kind request for the people, those who are in a freshers as a biomedical engineer into the market. Keep on note this, and all the best for your future. Thank you.